So taking the derivative of the exponential function. So the exponential function has a base of e. Remember, this is just Euler's constant, and it's a random number that was found in nature, kind of like pi. So the nice thing about the derivative of the exponential function is the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. But again, as soon as we have something other than x in our exponent, similar to if we have something other than x in our trigonometric functions, we need to use chain rule. Chain rule to deal with the e function, and then to deal with whatever is in our power. So for example, if I want to find the derivative of this first one here, I go dy over dx equals. So my first function is this e to the x part. And my derivative says just write that exactly as is. So we're going to change absolutely nothing. We're going to write e to the x to the power of 5. And then we're going to times it, of course, by the derivative of our exponent. And the derivative of our exponent, of course, is bring the 5 down, x, take 1 away from our exponent. Again, sometimes the notation is to write this part in front of the exponential function. It just sometimes looks a little neater, but again, either version is perfectly okay. So that works with any exponential function as long as it has a base e. So if I look at this one, again, I go dy over dx equals, first you take the derivative of the e, which is just write everything as is. It's e to the power of x squared plus 5x plus 9. And then we times it by the derivative of the exponent. So in this case, it's going to be 2x plus 5. Again, sometimes you'll see it written with this binomial in front. So you go 2x plus 5 e to the x squared plus 5x plus 9. So that's the chain rule with the exponential function. You just write everything as is, and then you take the derivative of the exponent. Of course, we can even put trig in our exponents. So if I want to take the derivative of this, again, first step, write everything as is. Don't change anything. And then we have to take the derivative of sine of x. And because there is nothing with our x, then we just take the derivative of sine of x, which of course is just cos. So we would times this by cos x. And again, is sometimes written with the cos x in front, then e to the sine x. And there you have it, taking the derivative of the exponential function. Easy as that.